We'll guide you through how to block a program in Windows Firewall. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When you go and do this, the program will then not be able to access the internet. What we need to do is go and press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in Firewall and find Windows Defender Firewall Advanced Security. Click on it to open it up. To get started, come to the left and come into inbound rules. We need to repeat this in outbound rules as well. Then come to the right and press new rule. You'll get a pop-up. Go and select program and go and press next. Then you can go and press browse, and we need to go and locate it. You need to go and find where you installed it. By default, press local disk at the top, and you can go and locate it in program files or program files x86 unless you input it elsewhere. Then come into the folder and you can go and locate the exe, select it and press open. Then you can press next. You want to go and select block the connection, press next, select all of these, press next, and you can then go and give this a name, press finish. Then come into outbound rules, go over to the right and press new rule and repeat. Press finish and that's it. If you found this useful, then leave a like. Have a great day.